Greetings, intrepid explorers of the cosmic enigma. Today, we embark on a journey, a voyage into the heart of quantum mysteries. We'll delve into the realm where the seemingly impossible becomes possible, and the abstract transforms into the concrete. Our enigmatic guide through this journey, none other than the Double Slit Experiment, a cornerstone of quantum mechanics and a key to understanding the nature of our reality. In this world of quantum peculiarities, particles dance an intricate ballet, behaving at times as waves, at others as particles. The Double Slit Experiment, our window into this surreal spectacle, has revealed an astonishing phenomenon. When observed, these particles transition from their wave-like state to a particle state. It's as if the very act of observation influences the dance, coaxing the particles to reveal their nature. And here lies the profound mystery. When scientists observed which slit the particle passed through, the particle, as if conscious of the observation, transitioned from its wave-like state to a defined particle state. It seems in the quantum realm, the act of observation holds the power to transform potentiality into certainty. This captivating dance between particles and observation begs a profound question. Could this be a metaphor for our own reality? Could our conscious thoughts, like the observation in the experiment, have the power to shape the reality we perceive? Consider the implications. If the act of observation can influence the state of particles, might it be that our thoughts and intentions mold the fabric of our reality? The parallels between quantum phenomena and the mental nature of our existence invite us to explore the vast landscape of possibilities that unfold within the theater of our minds. The connection between the Double Slit Experiment and our reality challenges us to view consciousness not as a passive observer, but as an active participant in the grand cosmic narrative. So join me as we unveil the mesmerizing dance between consciousness and particles, where observation transforms the ethereal into the tangible. Behold the enigmatic dance of particles in the Double Slit Experiment, an experiment that defies the conventional boundaries of reality. In this riveting exploration, we delve into a world where particles exhibit a dual nature, behaving as both waves and particles. The dance begins with particles being fired towards a barrier with two slits. When unobserved, particles behave as waves and pass through both slits simultaneously, creating an interference pattern on the screen beyond. This wave-like behavior, expressed as a superposition of states, tells us that particles exist in all possible states simultaneously. However, like a dancer responding to the gaze of the audience, particles undergo a profound transformation when observed. The act of observation causes the wave function to collapse and the particles to choose a definite state. They now pass through one slit or the other, not both, and the interference pattern gives way to two distinct bands on the screen. This transformation from wave to particle, this collapse of the wave function, is what makes the Double Slit Experiment a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. It's a phenomenon that challenges our conventional understanding of reality. It suggests that the physical world is not set in stone but is instead influenced by the act of observation. But the intrigue deepens. When scientists place detectors at the slits to ascertain which slit the particle traverses, the particle behaves as a particle, not a wave. The very act of knowing which path the particle takes seems to determine its behavior. It's as if the act of observation wielded the power to coax the quantum realm into revealing its nature, a transformation echoing the influence of consciousness on the unfolding reality. This experiment, simple in its design yet profound in its implications, invites us to contemplate the role of the observer in the creation of reality. It beckons us to ponder the dance between observation and transformation, between consciousness and the material world, and between the observer and the observed. This fascinating correlation leads us to ponder a profound question. Could the observed behavior of particles in the Double Slit Experiment be a metaphor for the malleable nature of our reality? Let's dive into this idea. In the realm of quantum physics, observation isn't a passive act. It's a transformative process, turning potential into reality, waves into particles. It's as if the very act of observing coaxes out the hidden nature of the quantum world. Now step back for a moment and consider the implications of this on a broader scale. If observation can influence quantum behavior, might our conscious thoughts and intentions likewise shape our reality? Imagine your consciousness as the observer in the quantum experiment. Just as the observer collapses the wave function into particles, your thoughts, intentions, and conscious awareness could potentially shape the nebulous possibilities of your life into tangible manifestations. What if our reality is not fixed but fluid, like the wave function before it collapses? What if our thoughts, intentions, and observations are not merely passive reflections of the world, but active forces that mold and shape our reality? Consider the world around you. Everything you see, touch, taste, and hear is a manifestation of your consciousness interacting with the cosmos. Your conscious awareness is your observation deck, your command center, your stage upon which you choreograph the dance of your reality. Does this mean we have the power to shape our destinies, to turn the potential waves of possibility into the particles of our reality? The parallels between the observer's influence in the quantum world and the potential of consciousness to shape reality suggest this might be so. Remember, in the Double Slit Experiment, the act of observing transformed the nebulous potential of the quantum world into tangible reality. So too, perhaps, can our conscious awareness shape the nebulous potential of our lives into tangible reality. The parallels between quantum phenomena and the mental nature of our existence beg us to explore the vast landscape of possibility that unfolds within the theater of our minds. The connection between the Double Slit Experiment and our reality challenges us to view consciousness not as a passive observer, but as an active participant in the grand cosmic narrative. We're not mere spectators in this cosmic ballet, but rather, we're the choreographers, the composers, and the artists who shape and mold the dance of reality through the lens of our consciousness. The Double Slit Experiment, with its wave-particle duality, gives us a glimpse into the paradoxical nature of reality, where the observed and the observer are intimately interconnected. But it's not just about observing, it's about actively participating in the creation of reality. Imagine for a moment that our consciousness is like a sculptor, chiseling away at the marble block of potentiality. Each thought, each intention is a stroke of the chisel, shaping the infinite possibilities into a tangible form, just as the observer in the Double Slit Experiment collapses the wave function into a particle. Our consciousness, through observation, collapses the myriad possibilities of reality into a single, tangible experience. This idea of consciousness as an active participant rather than a passive observer is not a new one. It echoes the philosophies of ancient wisdom traditions and the insights of modern psychology. Yet it's the realm of quantum physics, with its mind-bending paradoxes and enigmatic experiments, that provides a scientific framework for this profound concept. It suggests that we're not just inhabitants of the universe, but co-creators of it. Our consciousness, with its capacity to observe, to perceive, to imagine, and to create, plays a pivotal role in the unfolding of the cosmic narrative. It's a powerful shift in perspective, isn't it? So, let's ponder this. What if, by consciously directing our thoughts and intentions, we could shape the reality we experience? What if, like the observer in the Double Slit Experiment, our watchful consciousness could guide the dance of particles, molding the infinite potentiality into tangible manifestations? What a magnificent possibility that would be. Our thoughts and intentions, like the watchful eye in the experiment, have the potential to guide the unfolding of the universe, shaping the infinite potentiality into tangible manifestations. As we traverse the realms of quantum understanding, marvel at the intricate dance between observation and transformation. The Double Slit Experiment stands as a testament to the profound interplay between consciousness and reality. This captivating experiment, with its mysterious particles that morph from waves to particles upon observation, serves as a mirror reflecting the subtle yet powerful influence our consciousness exerts on the fabric of reality. In the same way that particles in the experiment shift from a state of potentiality to one of certainty when observed, our thoughts, intentions, and observations may also coax our reality from a nebulous realm of possibilities into a defined, tangible existence. This suggests that we are not merely passive bystanders in the cosmic dance of reality, but active participants, wielding the power of our consciousness to shape the universe around us. The implications of this correlation are as profound as they are intriguing. If our consciousness, akin to the observer in the experiment, can influence the material world, we are prompted to consider the vast landscape of possibilities that this realization opens up. Our reality, it appears, is not set in stone, but is a malleable construct, shaped and molded by the active participation of our consciousness. In conclusion, the Double Slit Experiment invites us to reevaluate our understanding of reality and our place within it. It urges us to embrace the dance of reality, where our consciousness and the material world are not separate entities, but intertwined partners, engaged in intricate cosmic magic. The observer and the observed, the mind and the matter, the conscious and the material, all are facets of a singular, interconnected reality that is continually unfolding, transforming and dancing to the rhythm of our thoughts and intentions. The Double Slit Experiment becomes a beacon, inviting us to recognize the profound interconnection between consciousness and the material world, a dance where the observer and the observed are intertwined in an intricate cosmic ocean.